Hi, welcome to the this video session. Hope all of you are in a good health. This is the revision video of chapter 2. Today I am going to discuss how do computer stores data, types of computer memory, difference between RAM and ROM, how do computers deliver information. Now let us discuss. How do computers store data? Computer store data instruction in form of binary digit. Binary digit, that is 0 and 1. Binary number system uses only two digits, that is 0 and 1. What is the meaning of the 0 and 1? So in computer logic, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Okay. Types of computer memory. There are basically two types of memory, computer memory, that is the primary memory and secondary memory. See here in this picture how computer works. The block diagram of the CPU, input units. So input unit, mouse, keyboard, PC. CPU, central processing unit, you can see the control unit, ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory unit. And we get the output device, like monitor, printer. Also, we can save the data. So how it works? First, we take input using the keyboard. Processing is done in the CPU. CPU processing is done here, CPU, and we get the output in the output device, right? So this is the how CPU works. Now, primary memory. Primary memory is main memory of the computer that is accessed directly by CPU, for example, RAM and ROM. When you are going to run any application, program, then it is first accessed by the RAM. You know, it seems when you are going to use the multiple application at the same time, if your computer, if your mobile or computer RAM is not supporting, means not a powerful RAM, you know, that case you see it takes you to sometimes you are not able to access all the programs. It hangs up the system, you know. So if you have a RAM, powerful RAM, then you can smoothly access the application easily. So primary example of primary memory, that is the RAM and ROM. Two types of memory, that is the RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. So random access memory is, RAM is a volatile. Random access memory is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, programs and program result. It is read-write memory. No, it is read-write memory. which store data until the machine is working. As soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. And it is also called the volatile memory. Internal memory of the CPU for storing data and program result. And as soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. This is a temporary memory, volatile memory. And other hand, the ROM also RAM is measured in megabyte or gigabyte. And RAM is of two types, that is static RAM and SRAM or DRAM, dynamic RAM. Nowadays, generally it is in the, you can see it 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB RAM, 8 GB, 16 GB RAM is available. Earlier it was in the 512 MB, 256 MB of RAM. But nowadays, you can get the powerful RAM is in the 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB. Right. See here how it looks, the RAM. Even you open the inside the CPU cabinet, you can see there are two slots of the RAM. It means it is expandable. Means if it supports the motherboard supports the 4 GB RAM, if you have still 2 GB, then you can also expand it to 4 GB in future. Right. You can see this is the rectangular shape. Now, another important internal memory is ROM. What is the ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. The memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. This type of memory is non-volatile. The information is stored permanently in such memories during manufacture. It means ROM is permanent. Even after the power failure, you will not lose your data. And also you find some of the device, for example, washing machines, you can see the timer is, you can set the timers, and there is inside a ROM. Also the microwave oven, here you can also see that you can set the timer, or there also side a ROM work. And various applications. That's when you the printer using the printer, you can also see if there is a going to, you see the message, your ink is only 10% left. When you get the page is there is no page, you can also get the message. So this all these example of ROM, read only memory instruction, are written at the time of manufacturing. So it is written at the time of manufacturing. And you can see here the ROM, the ROM, and you can find out inside the CPU cabinet. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, which I explained. Thanks for watching the video.